Romeo Nanong Garcia Jalosjos Sr., November 24, 1940, August 2, 2026, was a Filipino politician, businessman, and television producer who was convicted and imprisoned for raping an 11-year-old girl in 1996 while he was still a congressman. Jalosjos began his career as a television producer for ABC and ABS-CBN, following the closure of ABS-CBN in the aftermath of the declaration of martial law in September 1972. He co-founded Philippine Production Center, Inc., and with the permission of the Lopez family who owned ABS-CBN, brought several of their shows such as Pugo's Si Tatong Kazi and Dolphy's Bahay Artista to its rival network, RBS-7, in December 1972. A few years later, he helped set up production specialists and became responsible for the production of several television programs such as Binibining Pilipinas and other beauty pageants, as well as games of the Philippine Basketball Association. In 1981, Jalosjos, along with his assistant at production specialists Tony Tuviera and actors Tito Sato, Vic Sato, and Joey De Leon, known collectively as TVJ, founded Television and Production Exponents Inc., Tape Inc., which became known for producing what would become one of the longest-running shows on Philippine television, Eat Bulaga, of which the Sato brothers and De Leon became the noontime show's longtime hosts. Jalosjos was also responsible for the selection of the show's name, which was proposed by De Leon from a list. At the same time, Jalosjos stumbled upon and developed a white sand beach property in Dapitan, Zamboanga del Norte called Dakik, short for Dakong Kakahoyan or Big Forest, which has since become a major luxury resort. Rape case and imprisonment. While serving as a congressman, Jalosjos was charged in 1996 with 2 counts of statutory rape and 12 counts of sexual abuse and exploitation with lascivious acts for the rape of an 11-year-old girl who had been brought into prostitution by her father in exchange for $10,385 at Jalosjos' condominium unit at the Ritz Towers in Makati. After a warrant was issued for his arrest on December 26th that year, Jalosjos went into hiding until he was arrested by police and units of the National Bureau of Investigation and the Presidential Security Group led by its deputy commander, Colonel Hermogenes Esperon Jr., in an island off Bagak, Bataan on January 17, 1997. Jalosjos was detained at the Makati City Jail and was tried by the Makati Regional Trial Court Branch 62, which convicted him on 2 counts of statutory rape and 6 counts of acts of lasciviousness and sentenced him to life imprisonment and paid damages to the victim. He was subsequently transferred to the New Bilibid prison. Jalosjos unsuccessfully appealed to the Supreme Court against his conviction in 2001 and 2002, Despite his legal condition, Jalosjos managed to serve as an elected representative and won re-election in 1998 and 2001. Following the Supreme Court's second affirmation of his sentence in 2002, he was removed from the roster of the House of Representatives and was replaced by his sister and mayor of Pinon, Cecilia Jalosjos Carreon, in a special election held on August 26th of that year. While in prison, Jalosjos suffered a mild stroke in 2004 that led to him being hospitalized temporarily at the Makati Medical Center. He also financed the construction of several infrastructure in Bilibid such as a tennis court, a gymnasium, and a bakery inside the NBP's maximum security compound. He also financed the construction of the Tennis Academy of the Philippines and a resto bar in neighboring Katarungan village, all of which, he said, was derived from his continued earnings from his outside businesses. In 2011, he acknowledged that he had received special treatment from fellow inmates, stating that there are angels and there are others higher than angels, and that he did not believe in the insistence of a democratization of sufferings. Jalosjos maintained his innocence throughout his imprisonment and called his case an act of political persecution, specifically blaming officials in the administration of Fidel V. Ramos, who was president at the time he was charged and arrested for the rape, particularly Justice Secretary Teofisto Guingona Jr. Jalosjos' sentence was commuted to 16 years by President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo on June 13, 2007, and was allowed to live in a privately owned house in Katarungan Village, which is part of Bilibid's reservation area. On December 22nd, Jalosjos, after receiving a discharge order from prison authorities, walked out of jail and flew to his native Dapitan, before turning himself in again to authorities the next day after Justice Secretary Raul Gonzalez said that his departure from the prison was unauthorized. Despite serving only 11 years in prison, he was finally released in 2009 after completing his reduced 16-year term, which officials attributed to benefits gained due to good behavior while in detention. Eat Bulaga. Dispute. In March 2023, Jalosjos decided to retire Tony Tuviera as president and CEO of TAPE and replaced him with his son, Romeo Jalosjos Jr. He also named another son, Bullet Jalosjos, as the firm's chief finance officer (CFO), and his daughter Soraya Jalosjos as executive vice president for production. Tuviera's retirement and the differences of the Jalosjos children's management style, along with their proposed changes to the show's format and salary cuts, led to disputes with the show's longtime host trio TVJ and other staff, leading to their departure from tape to host Bulaga. Initially renamed E8T before reverting to its original title on January 6, 2024, independently on TV5 beginning in May. In May 2025, Jalosjos and other officials of tape were sued by GMA Network for fraud over the misappropriation of Philippine peso, 37.9 million or 770,380 to United States dollars, and 79 cents in advertising revenues that were used by tape for operating expenses instead of being remitted to GMA. The case was dismissed by prosecutors in Quezon City in October 2025. Personal life and death. Jalosjos was a former common-law husband of actress Nita Blanca. They had previously planned to marry in Hong Kong before calling it off. He is currently married to Lorna Pal, who is the mother of 2 of his 4 children. He has mostly been based in Dhaka since his release. Jalosjos started a political dynasty that has since dominated the politics of Zamboanga del Norte. His sister Rosalina Jalosjos served as the governor of Zamboanga del Norte from 2022 to 2025. Aside from Cecilia, another sibling, Cesar G. Jalosjos, served as congressman for the 3rd District of Zamboanga del Norte, while another brother, Dominador Jalosjos Jr., served as mayor of Dapitan. Jalosjos' children have also entered politics, with his sons Romeo Jalosjos Jr. and Seth Frederick Jalosjos, who also served in the Congress and concurrently holding top management positions at Tape, Inc., along with his daughter Soraya. Another daughter, Lana Jalosjos, served as mayor of Baliangao, Misamis Occidental, while another daughter, Sushmita, is the Liga NGMga barangay president of Zamboanga del Norte. Jalosjos died on August 2, 2026, at the age of 85. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.